Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Bob's Red Mill. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I've got an awesome holiday recipe that you're going to love. We're gonna make honey whole wheat popovers and top it off with a Parmesan herb butter. This recipe is incredibly easy and I guarantee your family and guests are gonna absolutely love it. What we need to do though is put these popover pans in the oven. If you don't have popover pans, you can absolutely use muffin tins. Hit them in the oven, get them nice and hot, then go back over to where you're prepping and we need to make the batter. We're gonna start by pouring in some eggs to a very large bowl. Next, we've got some melted butter, followed up with some whole milk. Last but not least, we are gonna add in some honey for a little sweetness. We wanna whisk this together until it's completely combined. You may see some cold butter chunks in there, totally cool. Do not get worried about that. Now for the dry ingredients. I'm gonna be using Bob's Red Mill whole wheat flour. Such a fantastic all-around flour, 100% whole wheat. You're absolutely gonna love it. Go ahead and add it to a bowl. We're also gonna cut it, so I'm gonna add in a little bit of Bob's Red Mill all-purpose flour. Add some of that to the bowl. Hit it with a pinch of salt. Whisk it together until all the flours are combined. And now what we need to do is combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. So go ahead and pour that egg, milk, honey mixture right into the bowl. Once it is in there, use your whisk and whisk it together until it is completely combined. Make sure there are no flour chunks or anything like that. Now go back over to the oven, pull those hot popover tins right out. Using a measuring cup, just evenly distribute the batter in between the popover tins. Once they are about 3/4 of the way full, we're good to go. Back into the oven, 425 degrees. It's gonna take in between 27 and 30 minutes or until they're completely golden brown and they're about 3 to 4 inches taller coming outside of that popover tin. This is great timing because while our popovers are in the oven, we can make that herb butter. So go ahead and add some softened, unsalted butter to a bowl. Next, we're gonna add in some grated Parmesan cheese, followed up with some chopped chives, parsley, some fresh chopped thyme. Mix that together until it is completely combined. Set it to the side, go hang out for a few minutes until our popovers are done. The popovers are finished. Let's take a look. You can see they're perfectly golden brown coming out way over the top of that popover tin. They look amazing. Let's give them a try. These popovers look wonderful, and just in case you're wondering, Parmesan and honey go great together. That's why I use that combination in the butter. I cannot wait to try it. Let's get a little bite real quick. Super fluffy, got that nice crispy edge, and get that Parmesan from the butter going wonderful with the sweetness and the honey. I want to eat all of these. Come back next time, see what we're gonna whip up. See y'all later.